flicker in our eyes. We run wild into the night. City calls, we put up a fight. Dust trails behind our shoes. Concrete jungle breaking the rules. Street lights our only guide, where shadows and whispers collide. Run wild, hearts on fire. Ain't no chain can hold desire. The dust and dreams we thin line between truth and lies. Neon lights flicker in our eyes. We run wild into the night. City calls, we put up a fight. Dust trails behind our shoes. Concrete jungle breaking the rules. Street lights our only guide, where shadows and whispers collide. Run wild, hearts on fire. Ain't no chain can hold desire.
Very relaxing sceneries out here, guys. Ganda. I don't feel tired. I feel fresh and relaxed now.
Oh my God!
So see you there.
Ocean breeze, whisper, calling like gold. The stars above glitter, tales untold. Through the forest mist where the shadows play, I'm running far away. Bare footsteps on the pine needle floor. The moon, my companion, I need nothing more. Wind's got my heart, it beats in the tree. Chasing the wild, setting it free. And oh, I'll run where the rivers collide. On the edge of the world, leave it all behind. To the unknown.
Nakot lang yung attention ko dito doon sa stones doon sa gitna ng forest, guys. Ang ganda. So let's go. See you. And yun sa daming bato dito. Stone. So yun, guys. Wala pa ata. Hindi pa tayo nakakalahati. This place is very nice. It's very beautiful, very green. Guys, you can see, very beautiful. Punta dun sa gitna ng forest. Cluster of stones, guys. It's like very historical. So let's just pass by here and see it, guys. Ang ganda. Ito, mga lichens. Oh, very nice. Hello. I'm here in the... I forgot the name of this place, guys. It's very nice. Very beautiful. Ang ganda dito, guys. Very beautiful. So, alis na ako. Yun o. Alis na ako, guys. Hindi ko makikita yung lake doon. May aso eh. Kagatin pa ako. Naka-guard. I think this is private property. I'm sorry. So, let's go. Sayang, guys. Sayang. No, pabalik na tayo, guys. That dog is very big. Yes, boys. Guys, we are lost. We are a bit lost. Kasi private property. Sorry. Oh, may boat dito guys. Oh, ancient itong boat na to. Very historical. Very old. Oh, sa may lake dito guys. Baka may trout dito. Ganda. Or tsaka may beaver. Dito guys. Yun. So yun guys. Ganda. Welcome to nowhere guys. Nowhere. Guys, maalala ko nang nag-running ako minsan. Dito pala yun. Dito siya. Ganda. Ganda guys. Diyan pala yun. So yun pala yun guys. Wala yung nakikita ko doon. Or iba. Bata. At least may na-discover tayo guys. Again. So this could be private property guys. Ang ganda nito guys. Ayaw akong tantanan eh. Buti mag-isa lang niya. Ang bubuyog. History repeats itself. Ganito rin nung last. May running ako last year. Hangin, ganda. Same place, same